Hi students, today we're going to check the topic of comparing stories with my experiences. Today we're going to check the use of perfect present to express experience based on stories. So, when we read a story, sometimes we make a comparison with our experiences based on the actions that the characters do. We use present perfect to express what we have done. We're going to check what is the perfect present. Present perfect is related with a subject, I, you, they, we, she, he, it, and with a helping verb that is have in third person has, and the main verb that is in participle, in past participle. So we have here I have decided, I have finished, you have finished, they have lost, she has chosen, he has gone. Okay, so this is the structure of perfect present. We're going to check some examples about how we compare with stories. Alice followed the rabbit to the tree. An experience in present perfect will be I have not followed a rabbit. We have another example. Blancanieves cooked the dinner. An example of my experience. My mom has cooked the dinner in my house. We have another example. Frankenstein ate a frog. In my experience, I have not eaten a frog. So, this is how we can use present perfect to make a comparison with the stories and our experience. Thank you for your attention.